Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to record calls on Discord using your PC. Recording Discord calls can be useful for podcast interviews or for keeping a record of important conversations. We will walk you through the process step by step so it is easy to follow. Let's get started. On your Discord dashboard, if you are on a call and want to record it, for example, when calling your team and wanting to capture the conversation, we can do this by opening OBS. Go ahead and open OBS now. OBS is a free tool used for recording content on your screen, so anything visible or audible on your monitor can be recorded, including audio from Discord. All we need to do is click the plus sign in the Sources panel, then click Audio Output Capture. Next, click OK. In this window, we will search for the browser and look for the Discord option. Select Discord, then click OK. As you can see, Discord is now added. If someone speaks, OBS will pick up the audio and you can monitor it here. For example, when someone talks, it will show activity on the audio meter. Once we play something on Discord, it will appear here in the audio meter, confirming that the audio from Discord is being captured. To start recording, simply click Start Recording. OBS is now recording and will capture the full conversation. When we are done, to stop the recording, just click Stop Recording. And that's it. We now know how to record Discord calls on a PC. We can capture any conversation whenever we need to,